This is a continuing saga. We want this egg machine to work so bad.
Found it. Laura hid an egg the other day.
She did a great job hiding it because we weren't able to find it for a week. Baby watch for this one. Oops. It's looking pretty big. There you go.
Wait, I don't have anything for you. Some belly rub? Butt right here. Come on, baby. What about you?
Okay, so we're like 4 or 5 days into not getting eggs in the egg machine. So I thought of a way to kind of tempt them. This is all just an idea so far, so we'll see how it goes. I didn't have a drill bit, so this might be really ridiculous. I don't know if to do it slow or fast. Gotta go to the hardware store to get some actual drill bits. Because for some reason I only have humongous ones. We'll see if this is better. Goes to show you that having the right tool can decrease a lot of frustration. All right. We're band through there like that. Chickens like red. They're attracted to red, so I want them to ignore the rubber band. And then clip it on here. And hopefully you can look in there and see that little egg and like hypnotize them. We'll see if it works. I'm gonna make a few more. Okay, I'm out here in the coop and I just want to show you what I want to do with these eggs. You know, the solution I'm trying to find is how to have eggs there so the chickens can see them, so they can kind of be tempted in there to follow along. And John Suskovich recommended using wooden eggs, but there's a slant here that if an egg is laid, right, then it will just roll away. And so I had to find a way to keep them kind of suspended so that the chickens could see them. Put that little eye screw into the wooden egg and then the rubber band with the magnet. And my hope is that gives them an egg to visualize. So hopefully they'll follow along. I have like 50-50 hope versus despair that this is going to be hopeful. So I made 3 that I'm going to just put up there so they can see them. Well, this other one I can't really hook it up with the other one. So this is a continuing saga. We want this egg machine to work so bad. That's what it's going to be, and we will lock the chickens up again. And we let them out at about 3:30, so they had probably done all their egg laying anyway. Good news is we got 6 eggs today, so we will see how this works tomorrow.